Shift4Shop is the most compelling e-commerce platform that I've come across in a while and has the best chance to dethrone Shopify. Now this video compares Shift4Shop versus Shopify so you can make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell button to be notified when new videos come out. Now when Shift4Shop acquired 3D Cart and decided to make their e-commerce platform 100% free, it immediately sent ripples throughout the e-commerce community. All of a sudden, you could get access to a fully hosted shopping cart as powerful as Shopify without paying any monthly fees. Now, will Shift4Shop overtake Shopify as a result? Well, you be the judge. But first off, who the heck is Shift4 and how can they possibly make a fully hosted shopping cart 100% free? What's the catch? Well, Shift4 Payments is one of the leading providers of payment processing and technology solutions in the world. They power over 350 major software providers and over 200,000 businesses worldwide with over 200 billion in payment volume. And the reason they can provide you with a fully hosted shopping cart for free is because they make it up on the back end when you use their payment processing solution. Their business model is very similar to Shopify in that Shopify basically forces you to use Shopify payments in order to avoid getting charged their egregious transaction fees. However, the main difference is that Shift4Shop will not charge you any monthly fees to use their e-commerce platform. Not only that, but because Shift4 specializes in payment processing, they can actually offer you much better credit card processing rates than Shopify as well. So overall, the Shift4Shop platform sounds like a win-win, but let's break down the pros and cons of Shift4Shop versus Shopify. So first off, what is Shift4Shop? Shift4Shop is essentially the exact same e-commerce platform as 3D Cart. And in 2020, Shift4 acquired 3D Cart and decided to make their platform 100% free when Shift4 is used as the main payment processor. Now, prior to this acquisition, 3D Cart struggled to compete with venture-backed competitors like Shopify or Ecommerce, who had much deeper pockets to spend on marketing and sales. But now that Shift4 has taken over, Shift4Shop, or 3D Cart, now has the funding and the value prop. It's 100% free to compete with the industry leaders in e-commerce. Now, most of you who have followed me over the years know that I never blindly recommend Shopify to anyone. Shopify is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it has very poor out-of-the-box functionality. Plus, it's expensive compared to the other carts. But as a general-purpose e-commerce platform for the masses, it's both easy to use and beautiful. And in fact, some people call Shopify the Apple of e-commerce. Now, Shopify's main strength is that the user interface and their extensive third-party developer ecosystem, and they're also one of the most popular shopping carts in the world with very deep pockets. But when you cater to the masses and you get too big, there will always be drawbacks. So this video is a thorough comparison of Shopify versus Shift4Shop based on experience. And both carts will be evaluated based on the following criteria. Cost. What is the true cost of running a store on both platforms? Search engine optimization, which cart is better for SEO? Design and ease of use, which cart has more themes and is easier to use? And then out-of-the-box functionality, which cart has more features out of the box? Third-party ecosystem, which cart has more developer support? And then finally, blogging, which cart has a better blogging platform? So first off, which one costs more, Shopify or Shift4Shop? And in general, it's actually extremely difficult to calculate the true cost of Shopify because it depends on how many third-party apps you use with your shop. And on the surface, Shopify appears to only cost $29 a month, but this is not a realistic price because the base Shopify cart doesn't do enough. In an informal poll among my e-commerce colleagues, most Shopify store owners end up paying several $100s per month because every Shopify plugin carries a monthly recurring fee. And with Shopify, you get nickel and dime for every little feature. So for example, Shopify's discount and coupon system is far worse than Shift4Shop. Whereas Shopify out of the box only allows you to issue basic dollar off or percentage off discounts, Shift4Shop allows you to implement every possible permutation of discounting that you can think of. Buy one, get one free promotions of the same or different item. Buy an arbitrary item at a discount if a specific item is purchased. You can also do tiered discounts based on quantity, stackable discount codes, reward points for future purposes. An equivalent plugin on Shopify will run you around $20 a month. So basically, Shift4Shop has all the features out of the box that you need to run a fully featured store, but Shopify does not. And it's free. So arguably, Shift4Shop has the opposite problem of Shopify, which I'll discuss later on. But Shift4Shop has so many features in their base cart that it can be a little confusing to understand them all. But I'd rather have that problem than be nickel and dime for everything. Plus, you can't beat free. So what is the catch with Shift4Shop? How can it be free? We all know that nothing is free in life, and Shift4Shop has to get paid somehow. Well, Shift4's core competency is payment processing, and they plan on making all their money on the back end. Because every online store needs to have payment processing, so your interests are aligned. And by giving you an online store for free, you'll process more payments, which allows Shift4 to make more money. However, it's important to note that in order to use Shift4Shop for free, you must qualify for their payment processing plan. And if you do not use Shift4 to process payments, you'll get charged a monthly fee that is equivalent to Shopify's pricing plans. So the winner for cost by a landslide is Shift4Shop. Shift4Shop is so much cheaper, it's not even a contest. Okay, who has better search engine optimization? Now, one of Shopify's biggest limitations with SEO is you can't optimize your URLs for SEO. So for example, here's what a sample Shopify product URL looks like. And if this is too small, the URL basically reads overlander.com/collections/suspensions/products/the product name. Now, an SEO optimized version of the URL that I just specified would read as follows: overlander.com and then the product name. Now, the words collections and products are superfluous and makes the Shopify URL longer than necessary. But what's worse is that you can't change this in Shopify no matter what. Shift4Shop is completely different. In fact, search engine optimization is a feature where Shift4Shop thrives over most of the fully hosted shopping carts that I've used because they allow you to generate whatever URL slug that you want. Now, this one feature alone makes shopping cart migration seamless. In other words, you can switch to Shift4Shop without fear of losing search traffic, and allows you to optimize your URLs as much as possible. So for example, if you were to migrate your store from Shopify to Shift4Shop, you could literally maintain the exact same URL structure, which would mitigate the loss of SEO traffic during the move. But outside of URL structure, Shift4Shop also offers a suite of built-in SEO tools out of the box, which allows you to implement sitemaps, redirects, canonical URLs, meta tags, rich snippets, everything. Now, the functionality isn't well documented in their cart, but it's powerful if you know what you are doing. So the winner in terms of SEO, Shift4Shop has better SEO than Shopify. Okay, which cart is easier to use? Now, with an army of third-party developers, Shopify easily offers more design templates than Shift4Shop. But looking through Shift4Shop's library of over 100 themes, you should be able to find something that you like. So for example, here's what Shift4Shop's theme library looks like. And to be honest, designing a great-looking website won't be a problem with Shift4Shop. And here's something I threw together on Shift4Shop in a matter of minutes. However, your main issue with Shift4Shop will be figuring out what all the menu options do because it has so many features to comprehend and learn. As a result, Shopify will be a lot easier to use than Shift4Shop because Shopify's base cart doesn't do much. Shopify's philosophy is to offer a bare bones cart for its users and then have you pay, or what I call get nickel and dimed, for plugins to customize your store. Meanwhile, Shift4Shop has the complete opposite philosophy. And from what I can tell, Shift4Shop has attempted to include as much functionality as possible out of the box at the expense of complexity. So when it comes to ease of use, you have to make the call whether you prefer simple with less functionality or more complicated with all the bells and whistles. Now, personally, as an engineer, I'd rather have all the features out of the box at my disposal at the expense of a little complexity. In fact, my biggest pet peeve with any tool or service is getting nickel and dimed. So the winner in this case is Shopify. Shopify is simpler and easier to use. Okay, which cart has more out-of-the-box functionality? So as I mentioned earlier, Shopify's base cart doesn't do much, whereas Shift4Shop does practically everything out of the box with a $0 price tag. And to give you an idea of the crazy functionality that Shift4Shop includes for free versus Shopify, I'm going to highlight a few Shift4Shop features that would typically cost you at least $50 to $200 a month on Shopify. So first off, Shift4Shop offers a full-blown affiliate program out of the box. An affiliate program is a relationship where you as the merchant pay an influencer or site owner a commission for every sale they drive to your store. In this form of advertising, is called pay per action, and affiliates only get paid when a customer clicks on a special affiliate link and buys from your shop. And one of the most popular affiliate plugins on Shopify, Refersion, costs $89 a month, but you get it for free with Shift4Shop. Other notable functions that Shift4Shop offers out of the box are product waiting lists, wholesale customer groups, gift registries, loyalty programs, and more. So for example, you can set up special wholesale pricing levels for specific customers in your Shift4Shop, where an equivalent Shopify plugin would cost you at least $20 a month. Meanwhile, a loyalty program app on Shopify will cost you at least $50 a month. But the biggest trump card that Shift4Shop offers is free email marketing. With Shift4Shop, you can create email autoresponders and broadcast campaigns included with your free plan. And while the email marketing functionality isn't comparable to Klaviyo, it does all the basics well, and you can't beat the price. Right now, I pay almost $1,000 a month for email marketing, and you can have it for free with Shift4Shop. And this alone makes Shift4Shop worth giving a try. So in terms of functionality, the winner by a landslide, Shift4Shop has every feature under the sun. Okay, which cart has a better app ecosystem? Well, because Shopify powers over 20x the number of stores as Shift4Shop, they attract significantly more third-party developers as well. And so if there's a cutting-edge new e-commerce feature or tool, it almost always arrives on Shopify first before any other platform in the world. So as a result, if there's a feature missing from your store, you'll probably be able to find an app for it in Shopify's App Store that does exactly what you need. And right now, Shopify's third-party app ecosystem is easily an order of magnitude larger than Shift4Shop, and this is the primary advantage of going with Shopify over Shift4Shop, even if the latter is free. But who knows what will happen in the future? Shift4 has deep pockets and may try to throw money at the problem to get Shift4Shop up to par with Shopify in this department. So what I can say for sure though, is that both Shopify and Shift4Shop are here to stay in the long term, so you don't have to worry about either going out of business anytime soon. So the winner by a landslide in this case, Shopify has many more apps than Shift4Shop and many more developers as well. And then finally, which platform is better for blogging? Now personally, I would not use either Shopify or Shift4Shop for blogging, but I did take the time to evaluate both platforms. Both Shopify and Shift4Shop allow you to publish a simple blog without any bells and whistles. However, I'm going to give the edge to Shift4Shop for two main reasons. One, the SEO tools for Shift4Shop allow far greater flexibility for your posts. And two, free email marketing allows you to promote your blog posts for free. Again, if there's a single distinguishing feature Shift4Shop has over Shopify, it's the built-in and free email marketing tools at your disposal. So the winner in this case is Shift4Shop has more features for effective blogging than Shopify. So those are the main criteria. So here are my personal thoughts having used both platforms. Thanks to Shift4Shop, it's pretty much a no-brainer now to sign up for a fully hosted e-commerce platform because it's free. And I'm probably going to shift some of my shopping cart recommendations going forward. Now, after playing around with Shift4Shop for the last 6 months and trying to implement all the major marketing methods that I use for my e-commerce store, I came to the following conclusion. Every e-commerce store in this day and age needs to have the following implemented. Email marketing, SMS marketing, the Facebook pixel, shopping cart product feed for Google, and the shopping cart product feed for Facebook. And I'm happy to say that Shift4Shop supports all the above out of the box. Now, getting some features to work required jumping through a couple of additional hoops to get set up, but it's all doable without hiring a developer. So as a result, I sincerely believe that Shift4Shop is a viable long-term alternative to Shopify at a small fraction of the price. Now, the biggest question though is whether you are willing to wait for cutting-edge e-commerce functionality. And depending on what you need, there are many minor features in Shopify's App Store that don't exist on Shift4Shop's platform. But with Shift4's deep pockets, I suspect that popular features will eventually make it to their platform over time. However, you may have to wait. The other question worth discussing is third-party developer availability. Shift4Shop is based on ASP.NET, not Linux, and there are less ASP.NET developers out there who specialize in Shift4Shop. So if you think that you will need a developer, you'll have a smaller pool to choose from. Meanwhile, Shopify devs are a dime a dozen. But for me personally, I would definitely give Shift4Shop a try over Shopify because the price is right. I mean, it's free. So when Shift4Shop acquired 3D Cart, they instantly gave the shopping cart much deeper pockets to compete with Shopify. In many ways, the decision between the two carts is philosophical. You won't get fired for going with Shopify, but if you hate getting nickel and dimed and you don't want to deal with a bunch of disparate apps and code from different companies, then Shift4Shop is an attractive solution. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you like what you saw, there's actually a lot more where that came from if you subscribe to my channel below. And if you are interested in learning how to sell physical products online, then click over here and take my free 6-day mini course where I'll walk you through everything that you need to know to get started in e-commerce. Thanks for watching.